So, hello everyone, my name is Sahil Garg. Today I am going to teach you about the methods which have the class name as its return type. As you can see that there is a class named non-primitive and it have and that method getDetails have non-primitive as its return type. As you know that when we return any integer, long, double, or we can say that any primitive type of data from here, then we have to return the same type of value from here, from return keyword. Okay, you know about that in the primitive data. So in the non-primitive data, when we when we talk about any array, string, or a class itself, as you know that non-primitive class is also a non-primitive data and its value is always be an object. Okay, so when we are returning any non-primitive or a class from a method, then we have to return an object by uh, from this method. So by this keyword we are going to return a object of this class. What it means? It means that by returning the object of this class, by object what we mean that we can use that class by object creation. You know that class and object relation, you know that object is created to use that class. So when we are returning a object from a method to another class in any method, then we can use that we will use that non-primitive class in that method. Okay, so we are returning by this keyword the object of this class, like non-primitive. We are returning non-primitive. It means that we are returning that particular class, and all the methods and all the variables, or we can say that all the members which will be used by the other class. Like we have created an object of that class and we are returning that. So here you can see that in end.getDetails, if you can see that end.getDetails dot, then you can access. Oh, sorry, I just yeah. So all the 11 methods of object class and price, name, and addition method you can use from that getDetails method. Okay, so and we have another method like addition method, like we use that. Oh, sorry, addition method. Addition method, and this addition method. So we will pass any value there. We will pass values. Okay, so in addition method we have passed some values, but this addition method have a return type void. So by void we cannot use any kind of other methods or other variables of that class, like see, by clearing dot we cannot access any of that members of that particular non-primitive class. So getDetails method are providing us all the elements of that non-primitive class, because getDetails method is returning the whole class to us. So getDetails dot में करेंगे तो all of the details we will get from that class. But in the case of addition, its return type is void, so we are not getting, or this method is not returning any kind of values. So yeah, in last, if I sum up the whole video, then it is that if a method have return type, it's if a method uh, which have return type as its is class, then this method can access all the elements of that class, all the members of that class, and we can chain that method with other methods. But it is not possible in the case of a method which have return type of its void. Okay, so yeah, that's all. If you have any doubt, then please comment below and I will answer all your doubts. Thank you so much. Bye bye.